Everyone, I am Connor. What the hell? I'm Connor, and today we're playing Build-A-Boat. Now, I know this game is usually about building boats, and I'm no expert, but hold on, let me turn up my graphics real quick. But I'm no expert. But is this functioning scorpion? Oops. Luckily, I have something in my inventory. Let's see. Umbra, Solar Eclipse, Sun, Jack's Jack-O-Lantern, Defender's Boat, Mystery Boat, Plantera, Queen Bean, King Slime, High Cthulhu, Queen Slime, Eaters. What's who did the eye or whatever? What the fuck? That's the prototype, isn't that? What the hell? No, no, back, no, back. Back away. Go away. Jesus. What the hell is this thing? So... the hell? There's something here. Don't I have a tool that's able to... 0. So there's a motor here? Motor there. Don't I have something to wait? This eye needs to be flying, I think. 0 of these. Whoa, where's the... Oh. The last one's on top, isn't it? What I expect from a thing like this. Well, I guess we're sending it off now. Just launch... Oh, I don't know. Holy... I don't know how to fly this thing. Stop. What? So I think I may have broken the thing. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Let me die. Just kill me. I'd be free from this. Okay, now let's try that again. Load. This time we won't remove the motors. Go back to this. The prototype is coming once again. Holy crap. Why? And up. Whoa. Crap. So we've lost all of our things. You know, again, I'm not doing this. Oh. You know. Let me be free from this torture. Let's see here. What's an easy win? What? Why is there a long tower? Let's see. What else? Queen Bee Defender Boat. What's a mystery boat? Sure. What the? Interesting. But what's Jack's Jack-o'-lantern? Is this really it? A smiley face on a quote-unquote pumpkin. Really? Chefs to the freaking builders. What's a defender's boat, though? The fu- Who is this guy? And what is this? There's more of it looks like I'm gonna have to sit on the middle of nothingness. I'm gonna freaking die. And God dang, you have lost. Okay, let's just do something else. Like, I guess the Eater of Worlds? No. Not the Queen Slime. Okay, what about the King Slime? But Queen Bee. Oh my god, what the hell? Plantera? What is that? Umbra Solar Eclipse Sun. Yeah, let's see what that is. What is this? Oh my god. What is a battle boat? What is this? I have no idea what these things are. Let's just go King Slime, I guess. Open this. Enter here. Launch. See what happens. As the UFO that is over there is currently crashing. So we're supposed to go over to here. I'm gonna just jump out and look outside. Real nice inside my blue cage torture that they supposedly call a slime. What is that? Oh, it's a butterfly. Yeah, no, I'm not waiting until I get all the way to the end. I'm ending this. Not in, like, dying, but anyways. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this or whatever, like and subscribe, something like that, whatever YouTubers say nowadays. Or like, give a laughing disco so I can do something or whatever. Either way, like, subscribe, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye, I guess. Or whatever.